everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Waldia, and in today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm just going to quickly show you guys this fun and flirty and simple hairstyle, the twist and tuck hairstyle that I use today using clip-ins. No one would know if I don't tell them that I have a couple of tracks in here just to get it to, you know, just to get some volume going on up in here. All right, my hair is getting better. It's getting on the thicker side, but it's not as thick as I would want when I want to achieve this hairstyle. So these clip-ins were perfect. The clip-ins are from Better Length. If you saw my previous video, my install and what I do to get my hair to blend in with these clip-ins, this video is just a follow-up showing you yet another style that you can use with clip-ins. And Better Length company does specialize in making textured clip-ins that match and blend in with our natural hair. All right, so if you guys want to see exactly what I did to achieve this twist and tuck hairstyle and what I did to blend everything and get everything looking the way it's looking right now, keep on watching. And just letting you know, I've been wearing these clip-ins for about 2 weeks or so. Yeah, about 2 weeks and a half now. And every night I just unclip the clips. I do not go to sleep with the clip-ins in my hair. I just take them out and put them back in this bag or sack, whatever you want to call it, that the clip-ins came in. And I find that doing this every night keeps the clip-ins in good condition. So the key to keeping hair as manageable and soft as long as possible, especially clip-ins, is to, when you take it out, not just throw it out anywhere or throw it everywhere you see fit, but to put it in something like this to keep it away and moisturize, you know what I mean? So I find that these clip-ins last a very long time. The clip-ins that I had last year, I still wear from time to time, and these I already know is gonna last me more than a year. Gonna add a 3-piece clip right here. We don't want the clip to show right here, so just make sure to clip it away from the edge of where you're gonna part your hair. I'm gonna add 2-piece right here, again away from the edge. Gonna add a 2-piece right here. Gonna add a track all the way in the back. So I'm gonna part my hair back here and add a 3-piece. Adding a 2-piece on this side. And adding a 2-piece on this side. I'm just gonna begin blending my hair with the clip-ins by running my fingers through both the clip-ins and my hair. So I'm going to take this section first and then begin to tuck the hair as such, okay? So taking this like that, all right? And just begin to twist and tuck. Twist and tuck, not twisting too tight because we want it to have a little bit of volume. Twist and tuck. Twist and tuck. When we get to the back, we are going to do the same thing. Twist and tuck. Okay, we're going to take a pin and pin that. I'm just going in and just, you know, creating the volume, because I don't want this to be too tight. Kind of cute. You can add a couple of more clip-ins if you want and rock it like this. You know, add clip-ins here. Okay, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing here. Just doing the same. Tucking the hair in itself. Taking a hairpin. And let me tell you the reason why I love clip-ins so much, because nobody needs to know that you are actually wearing clip-ins. Like, who would know? You know what I mean? I don't know. I like natural looking hairstyles, like styles that don't look like you added much of anything. No one's gonna know unless you ask. Why would you ask? Unless you know me, you know my hair is not as thick as it is with these clip-ins. But I'm loving. And what I use, like what, 4, 5 clip-ins. I have a whole bunch left. If you want this to be even bigger and thicker, you can even go back in and add more tracks to make this an even bigger style. But I think using this amount of tracks is perfect, because no one would know really that you added tracks unless you tell them. I'm just going back, making sure that all of my clips are covered. Yes, they are. All right, let me show you guys the back. And also, this hair is perfect when it's hot. It's getting hot out here, okay? For the summertime, and you don't want hair all up in your face. This is a perfect hairstyle. You could even accessorize it if you want to go out or to a wedding, or make it as formal as you want. I think this is perfect for the summertime, out the way, out your face, off your forehead, so that you can sweat freely without worrying about hair sticking, you know, everywhere. Yeah, sometimes I like to be free as far as like hair being on my face, especially in the summertime. Alright guys, make sure to check out my description box if you're interested in purchasing these clip-ins, and you'll get some coins off if you use the coupon code that's in the description box. And this 3C4 hair clip-ins, even though I do have 4C hair, blended right in with my hair because I was able to manipulate it and make it blend in. Alright, so don't just throw in the clip-ins and expect magic to happen. You know, you have to do a little bit of work, not too much work, a little bit of work to get your hair to blend in with your own natural hair. And that's why I love these clip-ins from Better Length, because I've never had an issue with my hair blending in with the clip-ins. This is super duper cute. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Until next time, bye.